So welcome back to Axor. Today we're going to be talking about something every rider needs: finding the perfect helmet fit. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone who's just starting out or just anyone with a two-wheeler, finding the right fit is very essential for staying safe on the road and comfortable. Trust me, you don't want to be bobbling around like a bobhead. So stick around and we're going to be going through everything you need to find the perfect size for your helmet. The first step is measuring your head. Take a soft measuring tape and measure just above your eyes and your eyebrows. Make sure you measure it multiple times to get the right accuracy. Once you have your measurements, refer to the manufacturer's sizing chart to find your perfect fit. Now remember, every manufacturer has its own sizing chart, so it's important that you refer to the brand that you are specifically interested in, namely Axor. Once you've determined your size, it's time to try on the helmets. Remember, a perfectly fitting helmet has to be snuggy and not too tight. It has to sit level with your head and not shake when you bob your head or nod your head or just move around, Don't be shy to try on different helmets until you find the perfect fit. Remember, safety is paramount, so don't sacrifice fitting for style. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to find the perfect helmet size for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and remember, ride safe out there. Oh, and like, share, and subscribe, please.